In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage purchase orders in QuickBooks Online. Let's dive in and walk through each step clearly and carefully so you can feel confident managing your purchase orders efficiently. First things first, you'll want to sign into your QuickBooks Online account. If you're already familiar with this process, that's great, but for those who may be new, simply head to the main QuickBooks Online webpage and click on the Sign In button. Once that's done, you'll need to select QuickBooks Online from the options provided. Make sure you have your login credentials handy. Type in your username and password and hit Continue. This will take you directly into your QuickBooks interface. Now that you're logged in, let's move on to creating a new purchase order. Head over to the main dashboard where you'll see a navigation bar. Look for an option that says New. Clicking on this brings up various forms you can set up, including purchase orders. Go ahead and click on Purchase Order. Here you can start preparing to create or manage your purchase orders. Before we customize further, take a moment to locate the gear icon, which usually resides in the top right corner of your dashboard. This icon is your gateway to all settings and configurations within QuickBooks. Clicking it reveals a drop-down menu. From this list, find and click on Manage Custom Fields. Custom fields are a handy way to tailor your purchase orders to your specific business needs, giving you flexibility in how data is organized and presented. To add a custom field, click on Add Custom Field. A window will appear asking for a name for this field. This is how you're going to refer to it going forward, so choose something descriptive and relevant to the data it will contain. Once you've named your custom field, you'll want to ensure it applies to purchase orders specifically. Find the checkbox that reads Purchase Order and check it. This action tells QuickBooks to incorporate this field in all purchase order templates moving forward. Finally, it's crucial to save all these changes or they won't take effect. Look for a Save button at the bottom or corner of the configuration window and click it. This final step will lock in your changes, ensuring that your purchase orders are customized according to your preferences. And there you have it, a straightforward step-by-step guide on managing purchase orders in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're fine-tuning the existing setup or crafting brand new orders, these instructions will keep you on the right path. Thanks for following along, and feel free to revisit any part of this guide when you need a refresher. Happy managing!